Hi, my name is Max, and today I'm going to show you how to play the lyre. The lyre is best known for its use in Greek classical antiquity. Originally, lyres were played using a plectrum or a pick. You can also use your fingers. Before we learn how to play the lyre, we need to learn how to tune it, which is very important. You can get a digital tuner, place it on the lyre. When tuning the lyre, you take the tuning key, you place it on the peg, and to raise the pitch, you want to turn the peg clockwise, and to lower the pitch, you want to turn it counterclockwise. Right now, the string is very flat, and we need to tune it up. So we'll turn the tuning key clockwise. The desired pitch for a lyre is the G scale. In order to tune it, you must be very careful with the tuner and the peg. If you twist too hard, then the pitch will go way out of tune and you could end up breaking a string. There, when the peg goes into the middle, that's when you know it's in tune. Now that the lyre is tuned, I'll show you how to hold it and play it. Usually, you take your left hand, you place it on the inside here, you want to have your thumb resting in there and the rest of your hands to hold it. And you can rest it against your hip or your thigh or whatever. And you use your right hand to actually strum the strings. You can use any combination of fingers, your thumb, 2 fingers at once,